So just landed in Mallorca at the Palma Airport. No baggage to collect, so I'm going straight outside. Just cleared security. Now security is a bit of a nightmare. I think you're just going through teething troubles with all these new machines they've got and the way they cattle people around. But anyway, out of there now, and we're going to go outside and catch a bus. Now I've not even planned where I'm going on this trip, so I'm just going to get to the bus station, show you where that is from exiting here. Show you how you pay, and we're going to end up somewhere. I don't know. Okay, follow me, and let's go work out how to get a bus somewhere. So it's pretty much peak season here now for Mallorca. Busy getting through passport control. I think I just mentioned that. So just come to the exit doors here. And I'll show you where to find the buses to get around Palma, Mallorca. So as soon as you exit through, you've got all your regular stuff like your TUIs, your Jet 2s, do your meet and greet. You've got all your hire cars down here. You've got all your transport offices down here, and just exit through one of these gates. And fingers crossed, transport should be right in front of us. I think just there or there, if I remember rightly. So let's go and check it out. So these are all your taxis basically. We've got grey sky today, that's not great, is it? So all your taxis are over on this side. You've got the big bus car park over to this side. Yeah, you don't need to pay for a trolley. It's not like Manchester Airport, where you have to swipe your credit card to get a bloody trolley. You get all free here. Alright. Okay, so that's the gate we've just exited from. Spin round all the coaches, and all the bus stops are located here, 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 and here. Now they all go to different places, so what you need to find out is where you're going, so which bus stop that you need. Now I googled it last time, and Google told me the complete wrong number, the complete wrong bus, and a wrong timetable, so that was frustrating. So on the map, I think I'm one ahead. I was here last time in Arenal, but currently here, and I want to go to, I think, Palmanova today. I think, yeah, Palmanova. I think that's the 104, or possibly Magaluf, one or the other. Okay, I think because some of the other places are too far out, I'm only here one day. By the time I get there, I won't have enough time to do any filming, so I think I'm going to stick somewhere local, either Palma or Magaluf. So let's go find out that bus stop. So this one here is taking you to Arenal, and you can see it's labelled on. I'll zoom in. Oops. There you go. I think you can about make out the words there, Arenal. So let's catching that one. So I just had a quick word with this one here. That's the A1. And that's going to Palma Central. That's for Palmanova, and he sent me back this way. So well, that's Arenal. Oops. Let's see if it's one of these. Anyway, they're all located. All the stands are located right behind this coach park. So they're all around this area. That looks like it's going to Palmanova and Magaluf. That's the Ponza. A couple of other places, so let's go on this one.
Okay.
You pay to get on, I believe. So let's try and find a seat, sit down, and wait for the bus. It's painful. Someone said it's going to take about 15 minutes before the bus gets here, so I'm just going to sit and chill. What a gloomy day. I was in Crete yesterday, and it was absolutely blistering sunshine. But the weather's the weather. You can't make it up, can you? So you all give like a point of interest in respect of where the buses are located. Just follow this big walkway, and as soon as you get to the end of it, across the road, this is where the bus stops are, so it's nice and easy to find. As you can see now, it is high season, so all these buses are going to get really full, so I'm hoping I can actually get on it today. There we go, and here comes the bus. I'm glad it's a double decker, lots of people are getting on. So there you have it, the bus was at €6.75. I got the last seat and it's absolutely jam-packed. So let's see how long it takes to get to Palmanova. Yeah, I've also noticed that they've got on some of the poles USB charging points. Not on all of them, just on some of them. Further down the bus, it's got loads of space, but say loads, to put your suitcase in your bags so you don't have to drag them onto your seat, so that's quite handy. So there you have it, that's my journey into Palmanova. That's the bus I caught just behind me. Took about 30 minutes with the traffic, 25 minutes with the traffic. €6.75. It was absolutely jam-packed. I got the last seat available. Here I am, so let's go check out Palmanova. I've not been here for about, can't remember. Since you opened up after COVID, so yeah, that last time I was here. Okay, thanks for watching this little video about how to get from the airport to here. And let's go check Palmanova out and check out the rest of the playlist. Okay, thanks for watching, I'll see you later.